Manual physical therapy is a hands-on approach in aiding the rehabilitation of people who have injuries with neuromuscular skeletal issues. So whether you have nerve dysfunction, muscle dysfunction, a joint or bone issue, manual physical therapy can help with all of those things. And we use a variety of tools, including passive range of motion of a joint mobility activities, using stretching and soft tissue mobilization to the muscles, using neurodynamic techniques where we're creating motion, healthy motion for the nerve. And all of this is to promote healthy, quality motion. And the best way that that's used is manual therapy in conjunction with other treatments such as exercise. And that's really what sets physical therapy apart in the manual therapy realm. There are other professionals that use manual therapy, but what sets physical therapists apart is that they're also trained in exercise, which when manual therapy is paired with that, creates the best outcomes. So if you are experiencing some sort of pain that's limiting you in your day-to-day activity and you want some help, even if you've had physical therapy in the past, seeking out a manual physical therapist may help you get to that next level of ease of pain and function.